become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. I know that all of you are looking forward to listen to some interesting events that will inspire you to dream big. So my dear friends, prepare yourself to be challenged, excited and inspired as we will soon be interacting with actor Khushi Dubey.
आइसक्रीम खाने से गला खराब हो जाता है ना पापा, तब तो आप आइसक्रीम अभी मुझे खिलाइए। मैं ये पीने नहीं दूंगी, मैं रोकना होगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for amazing hip hoppers.
My question to you is, how did your journey of acting started?
It was just by coincidence. I remember one day, a friend of my father, he came to meet dad, and he wanted to get an expressive face for a hoarding. And I was just playing around. I was hardly 4, and he ended up seeing me, and he just suggested that she's got very expressive eyes, and I think she's the best for a hoarding. So then I did a print shoot. And my first project was Ankahi, where I was playing Aftab's daughter. And then things went on. I did a lot of things. So that is how it started.
My question is, who is your inspiration for your career?
I think one of the main leading ladies that I feel that I aspire to be like her is Priyanka Chopra. First of all, she's very versatile. She is very, which you rarely find in people with a stardom like her. And that is what actually shook me.
Which were the greatest challenges you faced in your career, and how do you encounter them?
I think the first one was, I think it's really obvious, managing my studies, because I always wanted to fare well, and I also wanted to manage acting. So I think one of the challenges were that. Apart from managing studies, there was nothing as such. Even the challenging roles that I got, sometimes it is hard to get into the shoes of that role, because otherwise it will not translate on the screen that way. It won't come out that way. So I think living the life of a person you aren't is also a challenge for an actor. So I think these two things were the main challenges of my career.
What role, if any, deeply affected you, perhaps even changed you in permanent manner?
I think the role that I played in Bombay Talkies, it was a movie about a brother and a sister, and it was directed by Zoya ma'am.
What career accomplishment makes you most proud?
The biggest career accomplishment for me would be in the field of acting, because I love to see the smiles on the faces of my fans. Like, that is the main go-to thing for me. If I'm able to convey the message that my character has to convey, nothing like it. I want people to relate to my character. I many a times relate to characters of Kangana Ranaut, Vidya Balan, Taapsee Pannu, Deepika also. So I want people to relate to me and understand the things that they're experiencing in their own life.
What tips would you like to give the budding actress or actors?
You should dream big. I think first of all you should understand what you're good at. Identify that one strength about you which you also like, because whenever you like something you do, like I said, you will obviously excel in that.
Was your character Sur from the serial Kaisa Ye Pyar Hai? Was it relatable to you during your childhood days?
I was exactly like Sur, very pampered, ekdam bigdi hui, loves to play, loves to do pranks, and very connected to my dad, because in that role they show that her dad is everything for her. I was very connected to him, and I remember Angad, Iqbal Khan, the one who was playing my dad. I had a father-daughter like bonding only with him. I was the most youngest on the set, so I was pampered a lot. I had a lot of fun time doing that show, because I was living the life I wanted to live.
What was the biggest factor that helped you to be successful?
Hard work and passion are two things that play a lot of role. You might be talented, you might be having a lot of talents, but if you're not working hard, you won't be able to turn your dreams into reality the way you want to have it. Even in my school, I was taught about the same thing, that everybody is unique in their own selves. So you should realize what are you made for, and once you realize that, nobody can stop you. My journey with Ryan and Ryan IFA has been amazing, and I always used to love this concept about encouraging media as a line. मुझे बहुत मजा आता था ये बोलने में कि I've anchored also, performed also, I've been a jury also. I love anchoring actually. I love anchoring a lot. And what better than anchoring for my own school? And I think our managing director, Madam Grace Pinto, and our chairman, Sir Dr. F. Pinto, they made it a point that whichever student it is, he should understand that apart from academics, there is another world also, in which you can engage yourself and you can make yourself happy and you can flourish as a person. So I really like the concept about IFA. I love working with the entire crew, the Iceplex crew and the young journos concept. So I really admire it.
Today, I feel extremely pleasure to have this privilege of extending my hearty gratitude on behalf of St. Xavier's High School, Hingna and Hibri branch. As it is rightly said that gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. So first of all, I would like to thank our entire management team for always working utterly and sheerly hard to bring out the best in us. I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman, Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto, and Managing Director, Madam Dr. Grace Pinto, for giving us this platform to unleash, to potentiate, to explore our skills and ambitions. Moreover, since we have with us our beloved guest, Ms. Khushi Dubey, I would like to thank you for igniting us with passion and enlightening us with your inspiring words. We surely learned a lot from this productive and fun interactive session. Furthermore, I would really like to thank you for throwing spotlight over such trivial things which genuinely needs acknowledgement, especially in this highly paced, technological and chaotic world. We truly wish you fruitful prospects and a healthy, happy, successful life ahead. Next, I would like to thank our principals from both the branches for always encouraging us on the best possible path. At last, I would like to thank our Ryan TV team for making this event a successful one.
This was really beautiful. Hearing all the questions and answering to them. They're very young, but the kind of mature questions that they had, and I had a lovely time. I'd love to come again. Thank you so much to Managing Director Madam Grace Pinto and our Chairman Sir Dr. Dave Pinto, because you are the foundation of Ryan, and you're, I think, the driving impulse for me. The personality that I have right now is because of my school, and it's because of Ryan. So I'm a very proud Ryanite, and I love the session. And all the best to everyone.
आइसक्रीम खाने से गला खराब हो जाता है ना पापा, तब तो आप आइसक्रीम अभी मुझे खिलाइए। मैं ये पीने नहीं दूंगी, मुझे रुकना होगा।